Hi guys, so welcome to another Bitcoin cryptocurrency investment website training. So guys, in this training today we are going to be designing this beautiful website. So let's take an overview of this website. Now as you can see, here is the home page. It actually look beautiful. This is our home page. So this is our home page. Now this is our plans. This is our stats. This is our verification. This is about us. Now if you click on our about us page, this is the animation. Now you're going to see that this is about us page. Now you're going to see that we have our WhatsApp chat button here. If you click on market data, you're going to see that these things are well updated. This is well updated. Now with this website, you can be your client for as low as 100,000 to as high as 1 million, depending on the client you are working with. Now you see this is our market data, our analysis. You see it's actually live, like it's actually working, guys. This is actually working. Now if you scroll downward, you're going to see our other market data, which is the date, the price, the volume, and the changes. This actually working. Now you're going to see also our WhatsApp chat button that can allow you chat with your client, or that can allow your client chat with you from this website. So we're going to see other pages. Now if you go back to our home page, you're going to see another chat system, meaning the website has a multiple chat system which can allow you install the apps on your phone and can chat with your client. So this is it, guys. This is a chat system. So this one, you could install the application on your phone and then chat with the client from an app off your phone, or you could just make use of the other page of WhatsApp, or you could make use of both. Now if you go, guys, if you click on the login, you're going to see that we make use of more than one script. We made use of 2 scripts to design this website. And if you click on login, you're going to see that the website look awesome. Like this is it, guys. This is it, actually awesome. Now if we're going to log into the our admin, so let's check out our admin cPanel or our admin dashboard to see how our website look. So let's put our password. Sorry about that. So if you click on sign in, now you're going to take you to the admin dashboard. Like this is actually one of the best dashboard you could ever find, or this is actually one of the best investment website you could find out there. So you can see, you could now you can see that you could change the color. Let's see this. Now it's dark. Now you could change the color to make it look white and sleek. Like this is actually beautiful, guys. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see the stats of the website. You're going to see the number of people registered and how much your website have made. If you click on the investment plan, you're going to see that there are different plans you could set, you could edit, you could add more plan. If you click on manage users, and one funny thing about this, guys, you could have more than one admin. Like you could have more than one admin on this website. So this is it, guys. This is it. Now if you click on manage deposit, this is it. This is where the amount and the deposit that has been made on this website. Now if you click on manage withdrawal, this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. See, this is client withdrawal. You could actually process it or you could not. Now this website, when I talk about admin, this is where you can set that up. So you should see administrator, you could add a new admin, so meaning you and your team can manage this website, meaning a team of more than one person can manage this website. So now this is your the admin that owns that or that manage the website. So this, we have 2 admin on this, so you could actually use. And now if you go to the setting part, you have a lot of customization here, guys. You have a lot of customization. Now let's go to the main users part, where which your client, if your client registered, where they will be seen. So let's go there. Let me just copy this one. Let's copy it and let's just go to the login and let's see how it looks. Now let's see how it looks like. So I've already created an account before, so let's just do this. 916@gmail.com. now put in the password. Now click on sign in. Okay, let's see how the dashboard look like, guys. Wow, see, welcome to Electro Trading Platform. Now this is what your client will see on their dashboard. This is how beautiful the dashboard is. You're going to see their account balance, their total profit, their total bonus, their total referral commission, their total investment plan, their active plan, their total deposit, and their total withdrawal. Now you could shut any of this down. If you don't want it, you could just remove them from the settings area. Now if you look downward, you're going to see their personal trading chart. This is the price of Bitcoin or any coin they choose, and it's actually working with Coinbase, guys. It's working with Coinbase. So this is actually the real deal, guys. Now if you go downward, you're going to see forex market fundamental data, and this is actually live. It's actually counting live. So guys, this is actually something you should try. This script is something you should try for your client. Now if you check their profit record, this is what contains where or which record or their ROI histories that which they have on the website. Now this other part is their transaction history, their crypto exchange, their transfer fund, their investment. So they can subscribe to a plan, they could actually check their investment, and they could refer users. So guys, this is one hell of a great script you don't want to miss, guys. This is one hell. So now what we are going to do, I'm going to show you how to customize this in the tutorial. So they can actually set their account. Now if you check up here, you're going to see that this script has a multiple language option. So let's see if, okay, I really don't know how to speak Chinese. I would have said let's check Chinese. So now if you click on this button here, it's going to take them to the white design website. Like this is what it's going to take them to. And if you click on it back, you take them to the dark. Now as easy as this script is, they can forward their account from here and they can withdraw funds from here. So guys, this is a great deal, and this is a big investment you can make on your web design career. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to teach you how to set it up in the tutorial. Let's go. Hi, so welcome back to the cryptocurrency investment website training. So guys, today we are going to be creating a Bitcoin investment website, a cryptocurrency Bitcoin investment website. So as you know guys, this is one of the trending websites these days, and you can make a lot from as low as 100,000 to as high as 1 million, depending on the client you are working with. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could create a cryptocurrency investment website using the step-by-step tutorial. So first of all guys, let's dive into my computer and do the tutorial. Okay guys, first of all, this is my dashboard. This is my Namecheap dashboard. So I'm just going to use a domain name I already purchased before. So if you don't have a domain name, you can simply go to namecheap.com or go to Bluehost and get a domain name and purchase a web hosting. I guess most of you watching this tutorial now already know how to do that, so there is no need to go through that process again. So let's just go directly to how to set this up and the kind of website we're going to be building. So now the first part we're going to go, this is your file manager, which you're going to enter your file manager from your cPanel area. I guess you guys know how to do this part, so just go to your file manager, and then on your cPanel area you go to the exact website. Now this one I'm going to use to do this tutorial, is going to be an add-on website. So I'm just going to add it to this website. So what you do next is to click on upload, and then click on the select file. So now I'm going to look for the script I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So I'm going to look for it on my computer. So once you're done, now if you purchase this script from us, I'm going to give you access. If you click on the link below, I'm going to give you access to this script. Now once you get the script, you just follow me as I continue with the tutorial. So now I'm going to upload the script, allow it to upload for some time. Now please follow me carefully. We're going to allow it to upload for some time, give it time to upload. Now once it's done, you go back to your file manager, and then you extract the script. So you extract it from your folder, because I actually compressed the script. So go back home. Here's the file. You just click on it, right click on it, and then extract file. So once you're done extracting the file, it's going to ask you where do you want to extract the file to. Just click on extract file to the main folder, and that's all. You will close. Now once you are done, you delete the main file, you delete it from the website, and that's it. So next, you open the folder, you copy everything in the folder, and you take it to the major folder of the website. So you move them to the major folder of the website, which is the website himself. So you go back, and then you move it, move files, click on move files, and it will move the file directly to the main folder, to the main website folder. So that now, since that is done, what you want to do is to visit the website. Now you see, this step is simply easy. Like, it doesn't take you you don't need to be a guru to do this step. Just click on it, and then for the first step, it is done. It is very, very easy, and once you are done, voila, this is our website, guys. So you see, it didn't take us up to 10 minutes to do. This is about 2 minutes, so it didn't take us much to start the home page. So with this, we are done. Yes, the home page, it looks sleek and okay. Now what we are going to do next is to connect our login and our register page, and then we're going to edit this site to fit our needs. Now if you notice that this site doesn't have the same name with the script which I'm going to give to you, so I'm going to show you how you could edit it and make sure it does and everything look the same. I hope you understand that, guys. So let's just take an overview of what the website and how it looks, the necessary changes you will make on the website, and then how that can help you make money for your clients. So no, I'm not going to play this video. So as you can see, the website is sleek. It accepts multiple payment. You can even use Payoneer depending on you. So this is it. So what you want to do next is to edit your logo, edit most of the image and the write-up. As you can see, it's going to be putting the major website which was used for this tutorial. It's going to be putting it, and the logo is going to be the same. So what you just have to do is to right click on it and open the logo, the image or the logo in a new tab to see where the file is within the script. So that you just see, and then you go into the file. So as you can see, it's on our image folder, and when you open the image folder, you're going to look for it, logo wide. So you're going to look for it. As you can see, we have it here. So what you're going to do is you can either download it from here and edit it. So you can either download it from this part and then edit it, or you can go to where you open the folder and just click on download save image. It's going to ask you how you want to save it. You're going to save it as a PNG file, and be sure not to rename it. Just leave it the same way it is. Just leave it that same way. So I'm going to re-edit this, but just leave it that same way, and then click on save. Now once that is saved, you want to go into the folder. You don't need any major tools to do this. The only thing you can do about this is to use a website called remove.bg to remove the background. But for this tutorial purpose, I don't want to use any tools. I just want to go with it. I just want to edit some of the things and then upload it again. So as you can see, that is our folder. So what you want to do is to edit it. So now this is the process, and this is the major process. You don't need any super editing tool. You just do this with your laptop or your normal editor on your laptop. So you just try to wipe this off. So I'm just going to do that. It's going to take me a bit of time, so just flow with me, guys. Just flow with me. So let me try to wipe these off. Just remove as much as I can. So most of you know how to use these tools very well, so you could just do it. I just want to make this something common, something you don't need much work on, something you just have to do within your PC, not just going online as always. Something you can do within your laptop or your computer or your mobile phone. So if it's on your mobile phone, you could use some softwares like PixArt and other photo editing software to do this. So that's it. So I'm just going to try to wipe out what was written on it, which is the crypto profit mail. So I'm just going to try to wipe this out. So please bear with us while we continue this process, and just going to do this as fast as I could, as fast as I can, so as to remove some of the previously written text on it. So this is the most economical way you could do this, but you could do it with software online like Canva, like Poster My Work, like FreePic, or like there are a lot of software that could do this online, but I just want to do it on my computer. And let's erase the other part. You see, we have a perfect logo. Now we're just going to upload it on this same place, this same folder. Now click on upload, then you put the file you want to upload on. So you pick the file. So this is our file. Just going to drag it and drop it on our website. So pick it. So it's going to ask you if you want to overwrite the previous file which was on the website, which was on the server. So you're just going to say yes, it's not important, just click on yes, and then it's going to be done. Now because your browser is actually caged, you might not view the what you just edited might not show up on your website instantly. It might not show up on your website, especially when you're using Chrome. So what you could do is to go to another browser such as Elementor or whatever, just Elementor, such as Chrome, or such as Opera Mini, sorry about that, such as Opera Mini, or other browser that you have on your PC or Safari, depends. Just go there and then open the folder to see if you have what you want. So I'm just going to still edit the others. I'm just going to edit them. Do the same thing, rename it. I hope you understand how we are going about this. I'm taking my time, I'm doing it step by step so as you could understand how to go about this on your own. How you could go about this on your own. So let's just head back and upload it and rename it the same way, then upload it. So the reason this is having some issues because I have the same file, because I've used this script to create a website for a client. So that's the reason it's going like this. But what you could do next is to just rename it. This is your first time, you're not going to fix that issue. Once you are done renaming it, just drag it and then drop it, and it's going to ask you if you want to rename the file in the folder. Just overwrite it and click on yes. It will do the same thing. So when that is done, you just go back to your home, and then if you refresh your website on your Chrome, you're going to see that it's not going to, the changes are not going to show up. All you just have to do is to open a new browser. So I'm just going to do that. Just going to go to a new browser, which is I'm going to use the Opera Mini browser. I'm just going to go there and then copy the link and go to the Opera Mini browser and then view the website. So we are on Opera Mini now. Just view the website and see if the logo has been changed and some of the changes we made, if they have taken place. So now we're going to see if it's changed. Okay, now you see that the logo has actually changed. We now have a Electo.trade on the top. Now we have the domain name, we have our website. Okay, so you see that some of it have changed, and we have not changed this on the footer. So let's just open the image in the new tab to see where this image is on the folder. So you're going to see it. It's currently on our image X logo, white footer, PNG, speed, blah blah blah. All you just have to do, just copy it, then rename the image on your laptop or your computer with the same name so as to upload it, to make the process very fast. I hope we're on the same page, guys. I hope we're on the same page. I hope you are following carefully. I'm sorry if this tutorial is very long. I'll just try to see what I can do. I'm just gonna edit some part out of it. So now we're gonna rename the logo and then click on save. So once that is saved, just gonna look for the folder and then copy the image and use it to replace the one on our folder. So if you're going with us in this tutorial, please taking it step by step for those who haven't created or done any website like this, who haven't created investment website or crypto website just like this. So now you just want to look for the file. So here's the file. I'm just going to drag it and drop it. So click on yes, and then it has been updated. Now if you notice one thing, our Opera Mini browser has also been caged because we used it to open that we have used it to open the website before. So if you're just going to take some time out and then check after some minutes or some hour. Or what you could do is to clear your cache and then check again, clear your cookies, and then see if the website has been done or everything has been edited. Now let's start editing the text and changing some of the write-ups which actually came with the script. So you just want to look for the major files to edit which contains some of the text that we are on the website. So as you click on edit, so just look for the crypto profit mail. Just click on Control H. Once you copy it and then you click on Control H, it's going to show you a way to copy and replace everything. So this is it. Or just want to do write the name of your website on it. So I'm sorry about that. Let me wipe some things out of this. I think I made a mistake. So let's just write it very well. Electo.trade. So this is it. Then you click on replace. You can either replace or replace it one after the other. So you just, okay, let's do it the manual way. So click on replace and that's all. So you also look for the email. Now if you see, if you recall properly, there was an email on top of the website. So that's the same thing you want to do. Just want to replace it. Let's call it support@electo.trade.com. Then let's click on all. Then click on replace. And everything has been replaced. So that's all for this. You just want to save it. So we are going to save this and then check if we are going to see other parts that actually don't. Okay, there's one here, so let's go Ctrl H again and then just remove that, replace, then replace, then replace, so we can see if we're on the right track. Now okay, we are done with that. Let's check again. Okay, everything is on the right track. Okay, once you are done with that, click on save changes and then it's going to take time and then save our changes. So you see it's seller success. So now we are going to still edit the other part. Now what you have to do, guys, is to edit every pages on this first script. It's still the same process, just highlight it, then Ctrl H, and replace it with the name of your own website, and then you click on replace all. So now you do this for all the folders, for the major folders, and because this is actually our front end, we're going to use another script for the back end to make it okay. So you could do this for both the front end and the back end. So let's replace this support@electo.trade, all then replace. So that's that for that. So check if there's still another issue or any other thing that needs replacement. If there is not, you click on save change and then the changes will begin to save. And when we refresh, you're going to see that this top place that they wrote info@crypto pro profit has been changed to support@electo.trade. Now you're going to see that has been saved. Now don't worry about the logo, it's going to change after some time. It's actually because we're using Chrome. Now let's go forward and see that okay, this part has also been changed. Most of the setting has been changed. So you're going to see that they have now electo.trade on it. Electo.trade. So electo.trade. The logo has actually been changed, but then it is not really reflecting here. So if we go back to Opera, it's going to see that the changes are taking place already. So it's still the same process, guys. The changes are taking place. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. See the website, the front end looks very okay. So this will take you about 10 to 15 minutes doing it. Will take you about it's going to just take you out. Let's say you are not used to this script, is going to take you about 30 minutes to do, but for those of you that are into script installation and who are into coding, this will take you up to 30 minutes to do. And within that 30 minutes, you might have collected something not less than 100,000 naira from your client, because these days our crypto websites are actually booming. So you could have collected something less than 100,000 naira from your client. So let's just see if we can run some things. So let's edit some other parts. So it's still the same process, guys. Just take it the same way it is written. So by the way, this script was not produced by us, it was produced by QURIES. So he actually gave us license to run this tutorial. So this is not our major script. So just so you know, there is actually where he actually created this script and the website used in doing all this. So it was not created by us. So for a notice, just in case the script was not really created by us, we actually got it from QURIES, and then we felt that it is actually important to most of you guys, so that's why we are using it to run this tutorial for you. So once you're done, you click save change, and then so you edit all the necessary pages. So I'm taking it slowly, step by step, so that you guys can actually get it, especially those of you that are not really into coding. So I'm taking this step by step so that you can understand what you need to change. If not, would have just rushed this tutorial and make it about 10 minutes long, but for the purpose of us building it for those who are into coding and those major web designers, so that's why we're taking it very slowly. So let's continue editing till we get to the end. So you're just going to edit all the pages. Just edit all the pages. Once you are done editing all the pages, it's going to reflect on the front end. And once that is done, guys, once that is done, what you're going to do next, check very well if everything has been updated and then everything has been saved. Now Now what you could do next is to create a new folder. Just create a new folder. So for this next part, what you're going to do, you are going to go to the folder we just created. You could create a folder, but you could either create a subdomain or a folder. But since I want to make my work easy, I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to name it dashboard. So what you do next, you click on upload, and then you select the file which you purchased from us. So remember, if we are done with the first script, so this is the second script. So you select the second script, then you click on open. Now once you open it, give it some time to upload. Give it some time. So allow it to upload till it get to 100%. So now it is completed. All we can do is to click on go back to our file manager. So in the dashboard which we just created, we are going to install the script. So first of all, don't forget you always extract your folder or your file. So let's extract the script out of the file. Now once that is done, click on closed, and that's it. So once it's done, you open it. Now this is the main MySQL file, the database MySQL of this script. So what you just need to do is to download it first, and then also extract this other file. Okay, you move it first, then you extract it. So you delete the file that is not needed, and then after deleting it, what you just want to do is to go to the .env file. The .env file, you're going to edit it. So click on edit, and then let's get to edit it. So now this is where we're going to put our database username, our database password, our local host, and whatever is required. So what you just need to do is to go back to your MySQL database. First, let's go and create our MySQL database. So click on MySQL database wizard and let's get this done. Now pick a name for your database. So you're just going to call this Electo. Click on next. Now still call it the same name so as for easy access and easy remembrance. So click on the same thing. Now you're going to put a password. So let me just pick a random password and put. Now you are not going to use the password for life. All you just need the password for is to connect the database to the website. So since we are creating the dashboard, we just want to connect the database to this dashboard. So once that is done, as you are done with your password, you put the same password again, then you click on create user, and it's going to create the user. Let me cancel this. Click on all privileges. Now first of all, copy the name, go to your database. Now where they put in the DB, just paste it there and do the same thing for the database user. For the password, you're going to put the password you actually wrote there. So I'm going to write hosting 124. So check for every other thing. Now where the URL is, change the URL to yours. So this is my URL for my website. I'm going to do this. If you're using a subdomain, you could still put the same thing. If it's a folder, you do it the same way. If it's a subdomain, you do it the same way. If it's a major website, you just put the major website as electo.trade. So you can understand. So that's it. So now where your mail address will come from, put the name of your website, electo.trade, and that's it. Also some of these places like the mail username and address and other stuff, they can still be set up within your dashboard of your website, but for easy access, since we're already here, let's just do them from this point. So you edit them, and then as you see everything has been done, you click on save changes, then you go back and then refresh the website. Let's activate it and see if we are live. Sorry, we have not uploaded the database. Now all privilege, go back, click on all privilege, make changes. I say I don't make changes. That's all for that. Then let's go back to the MySQL database. Let's go set the MySQL database. Sorry, the PHP I just forgot that, the PHP. So let's set up the PHP. Let's make that count. So now remember, we've already downloaded the database file from our script. So all you just have to do is to upload it. So you look for which one you created. So that was the one we created recently. So you click on it. Now you select the one you want, click on import. Click on the import. Now choose the file you want. You could drag and drop it because you just downloaded it, or you could just select choose on file and then go to select the one you want. So now it has been chosen. Just look for it. I'm trying to see if I can extract it and remove it from this place. It's not showing up. Okay, I can get it from here. Okay. Once you are done, you click on open and the file has been set. Click on go. I hope you are following the tutorial, guys. If there's anything you don't understand, please, you have any issue that you want us to sort out, you could just let us know and then we'll set that up and that will be done once and for all. So now don't worry about this error. The file has actually been uploaded. Click on your structure, you're going to see your file. This is your file. Everything has been uploaded successfully. So nice to go back to your website and then refresh. Okay, this is our website. Now you see it came up once. Now we want to activate it, so you just have to do is to click on the folder you put the website and then come up with the activate code. So just write activate, sorry about the first one, so that you don't need to do anything, just click on activate. Do not try to put in your code. Your license is activated, that's all you need to do. Now after that, you log into your admin to see if everything is, sorry about this. It just took me straight to Google. Sorry about that. So let's go back and get that done again. So just click on login. Okay, so this is it. Now let's log into the main admin of the website. Now the main admin part, let's log into the main admin or the managers part so of the website. So you click on right admin login/login. So once you have written that, and it's going to take you to the managers login, and you're going to write the password super@app.com. now that is actually the main password for which came with the script. So now once you are logged in, all you need to do is to quickly change the password and username so as to prevent hackers from hacking into your site. So once you are done, type in the password, which is, so now you're going to put in the admin password, which is super@app.com, and then the password is test1234. It's going to say text1234. That's actually the password, test1234. So once you do that, it's going to take you to your dashboard. So this is actually the dashboard. See how beautiful this is, guys. This is superb, and this is very, very beautiful, guys. So the password is test1234, just in case you didn't see it before. See how beautiful it is, guys. Very, very beautiful. Now this thing has a lot of features. See, it can change, you can change the color from the normal white to dark. This is actually superb. So now let's try to go over the script and just watch as we go over it. And we also do some settings. We have to just do some major settings which are necessary for this website, so as you go to teach you how to do these settings just for your knowledge. So please, as I said earlier, the link to purchase this script is actually on the description. You can purchase both at the same time, or you can purchase one depending on whichever you want. You could purchase this as a dashboard for your website. You could make use of WordPress to complete this step. Use your WordPress to build the front end, and then use this to build the back end or the dashboard. Or you could just purchase both scripts and then make use of it if necessary. So in case you need any of them, you could just make use of it if necessary. So what we are going to do, guys, is to connect our login page from this point to the login page of our other script. So we are trying to connect the login page from this end to the other login page of the other end. So if you have been following the tutorial, all you just have to do is to come here, copy your login page. You're going to copy it. So this is the main login page for the users. So you're going to copy it. Now we are trying to link this to our other website. So copy it and then paste it here. Do the same thing for the register. It's going to add /register. So don't forget, guys, do it the same way you see I'm doing it. Do not add anything or remove anything from it, because if you do, you might have some errors which you might not be able to fix. So just kindly do it the way you see I'm doing it, and then it will get you the same result which I got. So you're going to click on it and click on register. Right in register, sorry. Once that is done, you're going to look for where you have login in your index.html file. So just keep changing them, keep changing them till once you are done, both script has been connected. And then what you could do next is to redirect the folder which you created to the home page, and that's all for this website. That's all, and you have already charged your client 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400, 500, 600, 700, even up to 1 million. So as I said, it's depending on how or what client you are working with. So there are some clients that can pay you 1 million for this. There are some clients that will also be begging you for 50,000 for this. So it all depends on the client you are working with. So it's not there's no sure way to tell you that this is how much you have to charge. No, it depends on the client you are working with. So if you're working with a big client, you can charge them very high. If you're working with a small client, you could still bring the prices low. So it all depends on you. So now let's go through it and check if there's any changes. If none, then just click on save changes, and that is that. So let's go to the website and let's see how our website look. Now once this open, let's click on the login and let's see. So guys, you see it actually redirected us straight to the users part. It actually moved us straight to the users part. So you could actually do that for your website. Sorry about this. You could actually do that for your website and then get the same process and the same result as us. So that's that for that, guys. So you could tell your users to either create accounts, or then you could make use of the demo account. So they are both the same thing. So now let's set this up and then complete this site once and for all, and then we could call this a complete tutorial. So let's just set this up. So one more thing we could do is to change to create our contact email, so that when this website send messages to people, it will not come from the major script. It's going to come from the email which we add to this website. So let's go create this email from our cPanel. So now remember, we did not create this email, this company email. So let's go create the company email. So click on email accounts. And what you do next is to click on create new and select the domain name. So it's electro.trade, so select domain name. Now type in your username. For this is going to be support. Enter the password. So you can call it any password of your choice, it's still the same thing. Once you are done with the password, click on create. So that's that for that. It has actually been created. So now you could give this email to your clients if you want them to make use of it. So the process is simple, and your website will start sending the email to your clients as soon as they register or they do any of the things you turn on from this part. So whichever you disable, it will not be functional on the website, but whichever you leave turn on, it will be functional. So you can see some of them are disabled. So for translation, we actually need translation on our website just in case some clients register from different countries. So KYC verification, that's if you want, but I don't really think this is necessary. So I'm going to turn that off. Google login, I'm going to leave this on so that the client can log in through Google. I'm going to leave this on and click on save. Well, sometimes it's actually a bad idea for a client to log into a crypto site using Google, but depending on the reason you are building the website, that's the main reason. Depending on the reason you are building it, so just change every other thing that are not related to your account or to your website. And once you are done with that, you click on save, and that's all for this. As you can see, guys, the whole process is actually easy. It does not require some technical knowledge or SS coding expert. It doesn't. It just requires you using your head and then continuing the process till you get the final idea. So there are a lot of things you could do with this team. There are a lot. As you can see, guys, I'm actually stressed out because I'm trying to take this tutorial as easy as possible, taking step by step, especially for those who have not done this before. So if it were to be the norms, I'll just try to quicken this tutorial, but for those who haven't done this before, I'm just going to take my time to build this up. So now we are going to be editing the payment gateway. So we're going to edit the payment gateway. Just follow as I do it, especially for those of you who have not done this kind of thing before. This is your first project, so just follow me as I do this. Disable the ones you don't want and click on save. Now, since it's a crypto website, your client might not allow you use some type of payment means. So the ones that are not needed, you disable them. The ones that are needed, you enable them. Like paper, we don't need paper. We don't need script. We don't need paystack. So we don't need stripes. We don't need bank transfer. So these ones, you actually remove them from it, and once you disable them, you click on save change, they will be disabled. So that's it, guys. Just keep doing the same thing for the ones that are not needed. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. That will be all for this tutorial. So please, I have a YouTube channel. Please don't forget to go subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video interesting, please ensure to like this video. If you are actually watching from YouTube or whichever platform you're watching from, please ensure to subscribe. Don't forget, you can purchase the script in the description with the link in the description below, and also you could check out my channel and see if there's any video that interests you and actually grow your web designing career. So thanks for watching this tutorial guys. Have a nice day and see you in my next training video.